myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds.
Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who I died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid.
I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. I've spent